Hey guys, I'm getting ready to paint my nails, and I just have not done a nail tutorial in quite a bit, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I've already did the my pre-nail care routine, and if you're interested in that, then make sure you go and look under this video, guys. I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame so you guys can see me, because I'm not doing it from my mirror, so I kind of gotta know where I'm going and what's in and what's not. Okay, there we go. So yeah, these are my nails, and this is the color I'm gonna paint them. This OPI color right there. I got this on sale, guys. Yay, yay, yay. Yeah, and I'm going to be using my Old Faithful Seche Vite. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce that, but that's what it is. Whatever. Okay, and I'm gonna use this as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. It is the Color Craze. I think it's by LA Colors. I'm not sure. I don't know. Yeah. And guys, this is my little blow dryer. I got this off of Amazon, and I'll link the link below if I can. It's super cute. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay. So let's get started. Like I said, I've already did my pre-polish routine. So if you're interested in that, then of course just go ahead and look under this video. Or I'll probably insert it in this video. Yeah, so all I'm gonna do, guys, is just polish my nail, and I kind of put a lot on there on accident. Uh-oh. And I messed up, as I sometimes do. And guys, if you mess up, don't be alarmed. Just go ahead and fix your mistake, right? I hope I'm in frame. I'm gonna continue to get up and see. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go around here like that and just clean it up. It's not a big deal. And when I'm done, I'll go around it with a Q-tip and some of my fingernail polish remover as well. And I just get this one. I think it was like $1 at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. And I know a lot of people say do not use 100% acetone, but that's what I use. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, guys, I'm just gonna basically paint all of my nails this color. Yeah. And I don't know how many coats I'll do. I'm not sure. And guys, I'm left-handed. I don't even know if I'm in front. Yeah, I'm in front. I'm left-handed, so this hand is always a trial for me. But if you're trying with your other hand, my best advice is to steady your hand on something so that you won't make too many mistakes. Yeah, just make sure it's steadied on something. This is a really pretty red, guys. Super pretty. And I was a little lazy. I still had some of that gold polish on my nail. I didn't even take it off, but hey, that's what it is. It's just a little bit, and you can't tell or anything like that. Super pretty, right? For the time being, anyway. I still gotta go around that and clean it up, I know, guys, and I will get to it. But for now, that's just what we have. Love. I wish I could see how glossy my nail is. Like, I wish I could see that. They're super glossed. Okay. Bye, guys.